What is up, guys? Human Car Check here, and today's video we're going to be doing our first 1,000-mile oil change along with installing a Fumoto oil drain valve. So let's get to it. So the car's already jacked up. We're just going to go ahead and slide our oil pan underneath the car and locate your oil drain bolt, which is right over here. Go ahead and grab your 17mm socket and break the bolt loose. And now here comes the messy part, hopefully not so messy. And oh, there she goes. That came out so fast, I thought it was going to overflow the whole driveway. After the bottom has stopped draining, you can come to the engine bay. Go ahead and take off your original oil filter. Hopefully they didn't screw it on too tight from the factory. We'll slide that off, and then make sure you have some paper towels. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Gonna wipe off some of the excess oil. And this oil still looks really good because this is only about 1,000 miles. So this is our break-in oil change. Go ahead and take a drop of that new oil, put it on your new oil filter just so that it's easy to take off next time, and then place it right on. This video is brought to you by Omega Car Care, your #1 source for local automotive services. Whether you're looking for an automotive mechanic, tuner, or detailer, Omega Car Care is the spot for you. Right now, Omega Car Care is in the process of hiring automotive professionals, so if you are an automotive professional looking for work, be sure to check it out. From February 1st to 3rd, we're going to be in Orlando, Florida at the Mobile Tech Expo. It'll be a 3-day event with all different types of professionals from the detailing industry. So if you want to come by and say hello, come stop by our booth. Be sure to come check us out, and we look forward to seeing you. That's OmegaCarCare.com. All right, let's get out of the rain. We're just gonna hand tighten this, not too tight. When it can't go anymore, give it about an 1/8 of a turn, and then you're good. Now we're gonna take our new Fumoto oil drain valve and go ahead and install it. This has a 17mm nut on it, and this is the F108SX. This is ideal for the WRX. And while you're doing this, you can go ahead and adjust it and find the most ideal position for it. And then it also comes with this little clip if you want. You can put it right over here, so just in case, so it doesn't open up the valve by mistake. You're gonna fill up the engine with the new oil. We're using 0W20 as recommended from the factory. You can use 5W30 if you're in warmer conditions. And the vehicle does take 4.8 quarts of oil. And let's take off our oil filler. And reinstall our cap. So now we're going to go ahead and prime the oil filter. We're going to press the clutch all the way down, put the key inside. We're going to put the car in neutral, and then we're going to press the accelerator pedal all the way down too. We're going to try and crank it over. Going to hold that for a bit. And that's it. After you do that, make sure you check your oil level. And we actually do have to add just a little bit. And after you've refilled your oil, it's time to turn on the engine. Make sure there are no leaks coming from the engine bay, around the oil filter, or the oil cap. And of course, make sure that your drain valve isn't leaking at all. And that is the first oil change from Fumoto oil drain valve install. Like and subscribe for more Subaru content.